We have 11 odds for you in the tennis games, mostly ATP and WPA. And we are moving away from football for the main time since there's no much football games. I want to say big congratulations to everyone that played yesterday tennis game. And then we continue that line today to see how we can be able to make money this season when football is no longer there. For also, I've selected some games in the tennis for you, and then go ahead and play them. And then also I want to say a big congratulations to everyone that played yesterday tennis game, and also our VIP subscribers. And then I believe as we move on, we continue to make more progress, and then see how we can beat the bookies on daily basis. So these are the games that I've selected for you: ATP and WPA. If you are not using Sportybet, go ahead and select this game in tennis. Click on ATP and WPA and select all the matches there. Then go ahead and look at what I've selected here. Mostly I set over and under. Then my favorite to win a set is a total of mixed games. So look carefully before you select these games. And these games are not available on Bet Niger. So if you are using Bet Niger, you won't be able to play this game. So go ahead and select and play them. This is the booking code for those people using Sportybet. And if you want to join our VIP, my WhatsApp link is in the comment section. Chat me up on WhatsApp. It's not free, it's not pay after. I will see you guys after the game.